Hey everyone, so we've got our next big table build coming up. Our last table we built was 17 feet long, 4 feet wide. That was for Cadillac, and at the time that was our biggest. But now this is going to be a 20 foot long by 4 foot wide table for the Sterling Club in Las Vegas. So it's essentially like a really high-end exclusive club that people have to pay to be a part of every year. And this is going to be the wine tasting table in that club. So you guys may recognize this slab actually from our video at GL Veneer. This is one of the slabs that we purchased from them. So you guys can check that video out if you want to see where this slab came from. But right now we're going to mark a center line, we're going to cut it down the middle, and then we're going to cut it in half for length as well and start laying out for the 2 river tables that'll make the 120 foot piece. I think so, yeah.
Oh. I assume this is the bottom. It looks like shit.
So we got all the slabs cut up. Here is 2 of them. They've actually already been partially flattened. So we're gonna take them down most of the way, but not quite all of the way before we pour the epoxy. So you can see on this slab, there's still a couple rough areas where it's below the surface. That will all get flattened out after we do the pour. We're just trying to get it mostly flat so that it sits flat in the mold. So these 2 are ready to go. And then on this machine here, on the BSE, Dennis is just getting ready to flatten one of the other pieces. And then on our other CNC machine, this is the Avid CNC, we've got one going right now. So it's taking passes off. You can see where it's cleaned it up and then where it hasn't. So we'll show you guys kind of this whole process, and then next part we'll be putting these pieces in the bowl. Alright, so we're going right now off to the Sterling Club. Well, actually we're going to Home Depot first. We're going to get some Allen keys, and then we're going to the Sterling Club. We're going to deliver those tables. We're here at the Sterling Club right now. We just showed up. We're actually waiting for the truck to show up because I guess the truck broke down. Just our luck, but they said it's gonna be here in about 45 minutes. So we just thought we'd go around and show you guys the place a little bit before we deliver the tables. You can see really, really beautiful area. Gorgeous room. This is actually where the tables are gonna be going in here. So we'll have the 2 halves in there. That's gonna look awesome. Well, the truck just showed up. We didn't actually have to wait too long, only like half an hour or something. So there's Igor. He's just telling the truck driver where to pull in. Pretty sure the truck is just gonna be coming through the front here. I'll show you guys the gates. It's just gonna pull right on through the front, and then it's gonna come on up. And then we have to go up those stairs and take it into the wine tasting room.
They really don't want to film it. I miss them.
Wow.
That's the bottom.
That's only the bottom, man. Wow. This was the most resin we used, right? Yeah. For one table? Yeah. This one's all set up. Legs are on. Got all the threaded inserts in, bolted on. There's our brand. And then we've got this one over here as well, just about all set up. Sauger's putting the last few screws in. Looking good. And we actually, if you guys look, this end is supposed to butt up with that far end, so we're gonna have to move this table over there after it's flipped over. But we'll show you guys that.
20 feet or 17 feet?
20 feet.
Just
20 feet, yeah.
You guys didn't drive it.
No, we didn't drive them down. No, we flew down. Someone else drove them down. Yeah, yeah.
You did drive it.
They did get driven, yeah. Truck company. Shipping
Oh.
company, yeah. Yeah, they look sweet. It's gonna be nice.
What kind of tree is that?
Claro walnut. So it's a type of walnut that only grows in California.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
I love fun factoids like that.
Yeah, me too. Well, we got that delivery finished. The tables are in. They look awesome. Like we said, the crates were in a little bit of questionable condition when we got there, but the tables are fine. The legs are good. Everything's in really good shape, so we got lucky with that one. We're actually going back there tonight for some dinner, so you can check our Instagram probably to see some stories from that. But we're really excited. This was a great project because the Sterling Club is just such a beautiful high-end place, so our tables fit in perfectly. And Igor, big shout out to Igor Zaripov who got us this job. He's the contractor, the development company who got us this project, and we're going to be working with him more in the future, so we're looking forward to that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Pretty soon, coming up in the next couple of weeks, is the Zed delivery, so stay tuned for that. But we'll catch you guys next week.
Peace.